Hello guys, and welcome to my 5th video tutorial on the PHP series. And in this video we will continue to build some arrays. We're going to learn how to make associative arrays and multidimensional arrays. Okay, so let's open Notepad++, and first of all let's run the XAMPP control panel with Apache and MySQL. And okay, so I forgot to mention you guys in the last video that you can use in the same array, you can use either strings or integers. Okay, you can use them all in the same array as values. Okay, that doesn't matter. Of course, you can echo the position 0, which is Victor, and will output Victor. And if you if you echo the position 1, in this case, the output should be number 1. Okay, and in this case, number 2 should be the output should be the number 2. The integer 2. Okay, so basically you can build an array with strings and integers. There's no problem. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to build an associative array. Okay, and start an associative array. We build a normal array with, let's say, users equal array parentheses, and now let's type Victor, and as the second value let's type Bill. Okay, so we have an array, a simple array with two values, value 0. Okay, remember the first value is always number 0. Okay, so we have value 0 with the string Victor, and value 1 with the string Bill. Okay, now what I want to do is to give a new value to output, instead of Victor, output some other value, and we do that with this symbol here, which is equal and bigger than. And then we type some other name, let's say Matt. Okay, and we can give some associative value as well to Bill. Let's say Matt, let's say Joe. Okay, so now to output those new associative values, we have to type echo users square brackets, and inside square brackets we type the first name that is in the value, which is the first string is Victor, so we type Victor, and Victor should output Matt. Okay, so let's see if that works. Let's open our browser. I'm using Chrome, localhost. Remember, where do you have to save your files, PHP files, right? You have to save them always in the htdocs directory, which is inside the XAMPP directory. Okay, so to run them, oops, this is not my file. My file is called vars, and there it is, Matt. Okay, so if I type here the original value, or the first value in the first string in the value, the result or the output is the associative value that we defined, okay, which is Matt in this case. See? Now if I type here Bill, the output is going to be the associative value, which is Joe. Okay? So this is how associative arrays work. We can also use numbers. For example, instead of a string, we can use numbers. So we give number 1 to the string Victor and number 2 to the string Bill. Okay, so if I type here like this, Bill, the output is going to be the integer 2. So this is how we can give new values, okay, to the original values that we have in the array, okay, and we can give new values to them, and then to output those new values, we type the original value itself, okay. So now we're gonna learn how to use multidimensional arrays, okay. Don't be scared about the name; it's pretty simple. And now something happened here. What the hell is this? DC registry mechanic. Okay, stop. Sorry guys for that. So now we're gonna build some multidimensional arrays. So let's type an array users. You can call the array whatever you want. Okay, instead of users, let's call something else. Let's say students equals array parenthesis, and gonna type value 1 with Victor, and the value 2, or the value, this is value 0, and now value 1 is going to be another array. Okay, so this is what multidimensional arrays are. Arrays inside other arrays. Okay, and for each array we build inside another one, we are building, it's like building a new dimension. So now we have I'm building a 2-dimension array. Okay, so I have a second array, and I'm going to put some values in it. Let's say Victor, let's put my age 30. Okay, and 30, and now we're gonna make a new array as well. So a 3rd-dimension array. Okay, so I have another array, and let's type let's type boy or girl, boy. Oops, forgot. Boy or girl. Okay, so we have, this is a 3-dimension array. Okay, we have 3 arrays, one each inside the other. Okay, and we can go on and go on with 4, 5, 6, 7-dimension arrays. Okay, but don't go there, because for each array you build inside the other, it's going to be more complex than to search for the values. Okay, so try to be between 2 and 4-dimension arrays. Okay, so I have 3-dimensional array here, and now if I want to output this value here, for example, girl or boy, let's output boy, and to do that we do echo the name of the array, students, and square brackets. Okay, and the first thing we have to type here, the first position number we have to type here is the position of the parent array, okay, which is this one here, and the position of that array is 0, 1. So 1. Now some more square brackets, and these second square brackets, the number we have to put in there is the position of the second array, or in this case the third array. Okay, we have first array, second array, and now the third array. And the third array is in position 0, 1. So we type here 1 as well. And now some more square brackets, and here in the last square brackets we have to type the position of the value we want to output, and we want to output boy. So boy is in position 0. Okay? So for each dimension, or for each array inside another array, we have to put a square bracket. Okay? And then the number of the position where the array is. So, and the last one is always what is the position of the value we want to output. So let's save this. Let's see if this works. Let's open the browser, and the output should be boy. There it is. Okay, it works perfectly. Okay. If, for example, I want to output this 30 here, we take the third dimension square brackets out, and here we have to type 0, which is the position of 30, the string 30. Okay, it's pretty simple, and here it is. Okay. Now, as I told you before, you can type as many arrays inside another array as you want. Okay, that means that you are building multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, and you can build 5, 6, 7, 8 dimension arrays. Okay, so I wouldn't go there, because for each array you put, it's more it will be more complex than to search for the values in it. Okay, so this is it. This is how multidimensional arrays work. And so if you have any questions at all, just send me a message, or you can go to see more examples of multidimensional arrays or associative arrays. You can go to php.net, and you'll have there a lot of examples there. So see you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.